Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak to you. Eid Mubarak to your loved ones, and Eid Mubarak to everybody. This today is Eid day, and it is Eidul Adha, and we have gathered here to perform Salah of Eidul Adha. After completing Salah, behind me there are some people, and they are hugging to each other, and this is Eidul Adha. We have a history of Eidul Adha. Our beloved Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, he was tested by Allah, and he was trying to sacrifice his son, our beloved Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him. And after that, by the grace of Almighty, he was replaced with a ram. And this Eid brings happiness, peace, and prosperity. Uh, you can see behind me there are a lot of people, and here is my cousin Muhammad Ismail Hussain, and my nephew Nur Muhammad Sharkar. He is also known as Akash, and he is very known as Akash Raj in Facebook. You can see here, this is Akash. He is my nephew and my friend also. Akash, say something. Come here. He don't want to say something here. So stay connected with me. Stay safe. Thank you. Eid Mubarak again, all of you. Thank you.